One, I want to show you how Kinky Curling Cream works. It's moisturizing, but it also gives the hair body.
Which is what I want.
And I know you like body.
The bigger the better.
Right.
Guess who loves Kinky Curling Cream most of all? Soft, fine hair types. Kinky Curling Cream has a lot of body. It transforms and elongates spongy locks into luscious coil because it has a thickness that helps to pull out and lengthen your strands. Don't touch your hair until it's completely dry. So any manipulation or that you're gonna fuss with your hair, make sure that your hair is sopping wet during that process. And then after you finish fussing with it, don't touch it until it's completely dry.